So the pandemic has created a new word called contactless. I mean, it's always been in the dictionary, but it hasn't been as popular used as now that the pandemic has come around. So there's also another word called contactless technology. And that's what I'm going to talk about in this video, how Marriott created a new system. It's probably going to be a job loss for a lot of people, but it's going to be the wave of the future of how things are going to be. Okay, so Marriott is working on these new contactless kiosks where you can check in without actually dealing with a front desk attendant. So the kiosk is also going to provide a room key for you, so you can do everything all in one. The check-in, you get a room key, and you're going to be able to check out the same way. And this is all done contactless. That means you won't be interacting with a person. It'll be you and the machine. They're also going to have a grab and go kiosk where you can get hot meals, cold beverages, hot beverages like coffee, and you can grab all of that contactless without actually dealing with a cashier on the other end. So you get what you need, you pay for it through the machine, and you have everything contactless. Now, this is definitely going to be a wave of the future. I mean, a lot of companies are going to have these contactless offerings. It depends on the kind of service though, because some things is still going to require human interaction, but more and more businesses are going to have these contactless machines waiting for you to do what you need to do and still get what you need without dealing with another human, because these machines have been adapting way before the pandemic started. You know, you can go to the kiosk at the airport and check in without actually standing in line and waiting for you to get your ticket. And if you don't have a bag to drop off, then you can just get it, take your carry-on bag, and head straight down to the gate. Of course, you already know the grocery store have their own little self-checkout where you can check out your own grocery. So a lot of these things that's been going on before the pandemic is going to be amplified now that the pandemic has showed us that we need to be contactless. Now, I personally like this idea. You know, I like the way I can just go in and do what I need to do without standing in any line. I just walk up to a kiosk, do what I have to do, and just head out the door. Especially at Walmart. I wish Walmart would have more of those self-checkout, because they have so many registers that's not open anyway. So might as well use that space for some more self-checkout machine. So more and more of these businesses are going to adapt this contactless services, some type of kiosk or some type of self-checkout machine where you don't have to interact with another human. So you know that Marriott has started something that everybody is probably going to copy. At least one or two people is going to copy this concept. So expect to see some of the major hotel chains copy this concept. Okay, so that's going to be it. Thanks for watching. Have a good one, and I'll see you next time.